Welcome to part 29 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Analyze. Analyze. We analyze the picture to find all the hidden animals. Restore. Restore. We help restore the puzzle by putting all the pieces back together. Adopt. Adopt. They decided to adopt a cute kitten from the animal shelter. Secure. Secure. Let's secure the door by locking it before we leave the house. Enhance. Enhance. We enhance the picture by adding bright colors and glitter. Transfer. Transfer. I transfer my toys from the shelf to the box when it's time to clean up. Confirm. Confirm. We confirm the playdate by asking our parents if it's okay. Monitor. Monitor. We monitor the plants to see how much they grow every day. Achieve. Achieve. We achieve our goal when we finish the big puzzle together. Determine. Determine. We determine which color to use by checking the art guide. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.